Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started.
What if I told you that nothing ever truly disappears? Get ready to learn the most unbreakable rule in all of science. The rule is called the law of conservation of mass, and it's simple. You can't make matter out of thin air, and you can't make it vanish. Think of it like Legos. You can take them apart and build something new, but you still have the exact same number of bricks you started with. Let's test this rule. Here we have an ice cube in a sealed jar. Its mass, or the amount of stuff inside it, is 50 grams. Now we'll let the ice melt into water. We've changed its state from solid to liquid, but has the mass changed? Nope, look. The scale hasn't changed at all. The amount of water stuff is exactly the same, even though it looks different. But what happens when you burn a log? The leftover ash weighs much less. So where did the rest of the mass go? Did the mass disappear? Let's solve this mystery. This time, we'll burn the log inside a sealed container, so nothing can escape. When the log burns, it doesn't just make ash. It also releases smoke and invisible gases that have mass. And look, total mass of ash plus all trapped gases is the same as the mass of the original log and oxygen. Nothing was lost. It's the same with a fizzy bath bomb. The fizzing seems like it's disappearing, but it's really just turning into a gas that has mass. When you bake a cake, it weighs a little less than the batter. That's because some of the mass escaped as water vapor while it was in the oven.
Eureka!
This law was discovered by a French scientist
mass.
Antoine Lavoisier over 200 years ago. He was a science detective. So in any reaction, the mass of the reactants you start with must always equal the mass of the products you end up with. This rule isn't just for science class. It applies to everything in the entire universe, from a tiny campfire to an exploding star. So remember, you can change matter, melt it, or burn it, but you cannot get rid of it. That's the law of conservation of mass.